In SolidWorks, I cannot use hole callout to show the hole properties at the section view or side view. In this example, I have a section view of the hole and I'm trying to use hole callout to show the hole properties. And as you can see, it cannot detect the hole dimension. In the same way, if I double click on this view and I try to show the hidden lines in this view, and I will later try to use hole callout to show the hole properties, and again it cannot detect it. So what can I do to use the hole callout to show these hole properties? The solution is that first I have to use the project view to show the top view of this section. After that, I will use hole callout to show the hole properties of this hole at the top view. I will place it here. In this drawing, I have two holes with the same property, so I would multiply this property in 2. I will place 2 times the dimension. Next, I will go to the annotation. I will select note and I will select here. I try to select a pattern similar to hole callout pattern. I place it here and click OK. So now in the box is empty. Then I will double click on the box and I will click the hole callout dimension here, so the node will be linked to the hole callout of the top section. Then I will place it here, and next at the end I will delete the top section view. Next I will hide the invisible line again, and then I press OK. So using this way, I would be able to use hole callout to show the property of the hole dimension either for the side or section view.